Right folks, Dave here with his 1 minute shout out. Great company I found to streamline your Amazon business. Jungle Scout. These guys are excellent and they're supported by some of the massive companies as you see, entrepreneurs, Bloomberg, Forbes and etc. They've got over 500,000 entrepreneurs that they support, 1 billion Amazon products monitored and 22 billion annually in assisted Amazon sales. They've got all the support features you need and expert advice, plus all the tools to make your Amazon store work today. Take it from the bottom of Amazon to the top. Their pricing is very transparent. You can have a look at that. There's nothing hidden, and the resources go on and on and on and on. Affiliate marketing program is also something they have with them. Folks, click the link below. Join today. Get involved. They have everything you need to become successful on Amazon. Hope you enjoyed the short presentation. Look forward to the next one.